welcome to this video on sustainable agriculture for rural business opportunities, part of our 30-day sustainability challenge toolkit. Did you know that a large amount of agricultural land is not managed sustainably? GMOs and numerous chemical-based pesticides are often used to boost food production. So the question is, how can farming restore the land while also creating real opportunities in rural areas? In this session, we'll explore two powerful approaches to sustainable agriculture: organic farming and permaculture. These practices not only protect the environment and improve soil health, but also offer real opportunities for rural entrepreneurship, food security, and ethical living. You'll discover how farmers and rural innovators are cultivating clean food, cutting waste, and fostering community trust by utilizing nature-based solutions. Let's discover the principles, techniques, and benefits, and think about how we, too, can support a sustainable business. We'll start with organic farming. Organic farming is a type of agriculture that relies on the natural fertility of the soil, avoiding synthetic chemicals. The idea is to improve the natural quality of the soil, support biodiversity, and grow clean, healthy food. At the same time, organic farming is about using energy, water, and other natural resources in a more responsible and sustainable way. This type of agriculture is guided by 4 key principles. First, health. It supports the well-being of the soil, plants, animals, people, and the planet as one connected system. Second, ecology. Organic farming works with nature, respecting and supporting natural cycles. Third, fairness. It aims to be fair to the environment and all forms of life. Finally, care. It is about acting responsibly to protect current and future generations. Among the most common techniques there are crop rotation, the use of compost, biological pest control, and the valorization of local resources. Farmers who adopt organic farming can sell directly to consumers, join cooperatives, or supply retailers with organic products. The other sustainable agricultural practice we are going to explore today is permaculture. The term permaculture comes from the mix of permanent and agriculture and indicates a planning method that can be applied to an enterprise, a single farm, or even to the lifestyle of a single individual. Permaculture designs farms as ecosystems where every element works together. So, it is not just agriculture, it is a long-term plan for self-sufficiency, resilience, and abundance. This design system respects the 3 basic ethics: caring for the earth, caring for people, and sharing the surplus. The only rule that permaculture places is, take your own responsibility. But what does it mean? It means accepting accountability for one's actions and impact on the community and the environment. Permaculture also has 12 principles, but we'll leave their discovery to the most curious audience. Among the most common practices in permaculture there are plant intercropping, rainwater harvesting, composting, and creating food forests. With permaculture, rural entrepreneurs can grow food, raise animals, and even build ecotourism or education activities, all while regenerating the planet. To sum up, today we talked about organic farming and permaculture, 2 agricultural practices that bring both economic and environmental positives to the rural communities and businesses. Do you want to learn more? You can follow the Sustainable Steps project and its activities. Thank you for listening, and remember to do your best to be sustainable.